The skill sprint in presentation skills builds your confidence to engage audiences and communicate your message effectively by refining your verbal techniques and visual aids. Presentation success depends on the ability to captivate and persuade. By improving your non-verbal communication and visual aids, you can deliver impactful presentations that captivate your audience. You'll start by developing audience personas and establishing clear objectives using the CLEAR framework. You'll then apply storytelling and the problem-solution-benefit model to structure impactful openings and closings. Next, you'll apply cognitive principles to slide design. Use the 4Ps technique and build your engagement toolbox to manage nerves, maintain interest, and handle Q&A with confidence. This skill sprint supports professionals at any level of an organization who want to deliver more professional presentations, seek stakeholder buy-in, or propose meaningful change. Delivered live online in just 6 hours across 3 weeks, these interactive sessions focus on real-world practice, providing a supportive environment for you to give and receive constructive feedback. Deliver your message with confidence. Build momentum in your career. UCD Professional Academy Skill Sprints.